When you want. Let's go. Hi, I'm Einar Galilea. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Vitoria-Gasteiz, and I played for Alavés 12. Start again. Yeah, iba bien, eh? Hi, I'm Einar Galilea. I'm from Vitoria-Gasteiz. I'm 23 years old, and I played for Alavés as 12 or 30 years.
Hi, I'm Anderson Cruz. I'm from Portugal and I'm a player from Alavés and I come... Wait a minute.
Take your time.
Hi, I'm Anderson Cruz. I'm from Portugal and I signed for Alavés and I come here loan to play in Rudes and I play football.
No, I never been in Croatia, and I think that it's a good opportunity for us for playing in the Croatian Fair League and play the matches against teams like Dinamo Zagreb, Hajduk Split, and some teams that are playing in Europa right now.
Yeah, I think the same is a very good opportunity to be here, to play in the first league, to play in Rudes and against very good teams.
Our favorite, I will say Modric. Modric is a very...
I see you, yeah.
For me, Modric. Yeah, it's a very, very good player. I think he is one of the best middle fields of the world. So he's a very, very nice example of the talentum in Croatia.
Yeah, I think the same. You tell everyone. Modric is an example, a very good player, and for me is the player I like.
Yeah, the teammates help us a lot in our first date, and there are three Spanish guys, and we are with them a lot of time. So our first week was good, and they are very, very helpful people. So we are very happy to be here.
Yeah, the team received me very good, and it's easy because the people is good people, and yeah, it's easy to be here.
I don't know. I want to help us Rudes as much as possible, and personally I want to take minutes in the first league and grow up like a player. And if the group goes well, for us it will be much better like in the future.
Yeah, we have a very good team. And I think it's not going to be a problem to us stay in the league because the team, we have a very good players and a very good team. So, and personally, I want to play, I want to help the team, and that's it.